Okay, so we're on number 6 where it says use the correct symbol, plus, minus, or times. So we can say 4, let's see, plus 2, nope, doesn't equal 8, that would equal 6. 4 minus 2 would equal 2, so it must be 4 times 2 equals 8, and that's correct. So let's do this again for the 2 and the 5. Well, 2 plus 5 equals 7. That must be it, because we can't, 2 minus 5 doesn't equal 7, and 2 times 5 equals 10. Alrighty, so number 7, it says find the answers. 86 minus 72. Can we take 2 from 6? Get ready. Yes, it is 4. 8 minus 7 equals, yes, 1. 41 minus 17. Can 7 take away from 1? Nope, we need to borrow it from the 4. We're going to take 10 away from the 4, bring it over to the 1's column. So now we have 11 minus 7, which equals 4. 3 minus 1 equals 2. All right, we've got some 3-digit addition problems to do next. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. And one more is 11. We're going to carry that other one up top. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 1 is 8. Over to the other addition problem where it is in dollar form, so we need to be careful with our decimal and make sure it goes down in the correct place. 9 plus 3 equals, get ready, yes, 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 4 is 12, so we're going to put a 2 down there again and carry the 1 up top there. I'm going to go ahead and bring my decimal down because I know it goes right there. All right. So we've got 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is $6.22. Don't forget your symbol or your decimal.